Hello! Today you learn how to read simple Russian syllables. If you are still not sure about how well you can pronounce some of the letters, it's absolutely not a deal breaker. There is no need to get stuck on the alphabet. With this exercise, you'll actually learn Russian letters and sounds even better. I'll be reading Russian syllables in pairs with hard and soft consonants, and you will be repeating after me. If you're not sure about what hard and soft consonants mean, or why it's better to put Russian vowels in pairs, I'd strongly recommend you watch my 2 previous videos. First of all, remember that Russian vowels sound pretty defined, so don't forget to open your mouth a little wider than you may be used to in your native language. Please repeat after me. B, B. Ba, bя. Bo, бё. Бу, бю. Бе, бе. Бы, би. П, пё. Па, пя. По, пё. Пу, пю. Пе, пе. Пы, пи. В, вё. Ва, вя. Во, вё. Ву, вю. Ве, ве. Вы, ви. Ф, фё. Фа, фя. Фо, фё. Фу, фю. Фе, фе. Фы, фи. Г, г. Га, гя. Го, гё. Гу, гю. Гэ, ге. Гы, ги. К, к. Ка, кя. Ко, кё. Кы, ки. Ку, кю. Кэ, ке. Х, хь. Ха, хя. Ху, хю. Хэ, хе. Хо, хё. Хы, хи. Д, д. До, дё. Да, дя. Де, де. Ды, ди. Ду, дю. Т, т. Та, тя. То, тё. Ту, тю. Те, те. Ты, ти. З, зь. За, зя. Зо, зё. Зе, зе. Зу, зю. Зы, зи. С, ся. Са, ся. Сы, си. Се, се. Су, сю. Со, сё. Л, л. Ла, ля. Ло, лё. лу, лю, ле, ле, ли, лі, м, мь, ма, мя, мо, мьо, му, мю, ми, мі, ме, мє, н, ня, на, ня, ну, ню, но, ньо, не, нє, ни, ні, р, рь, ра, ря, ро, рьо, ру, рю, ре, ре, ри, рі. Awesome! You're doing great! Soft d, t, l, r are probably the hardest consonants for a foreigner to pronounce. But again, you'll learn them sooner or a little later when you start reading texts. So there is no need to spend too much time trying to perfect them, or even more, getting upset if you can't pronounce them right just yet. You'll get there. You just need some time and practice. I hope you remember from my previous video that the Russian consonants zh, sh, ц are always hard. So no matter what goes after them, you'll always read them as hard consonants. Zh, zh, zho, zho, жа, жу, жи, же, ш, ш, шо, шо, ша, шу, ши, ше, ца, цо, цу, ци, ци, це, це. At the same time, Russian consonants ch and sh are always soft. Че, чи, ча, чу, чо, чо, ще, що, щі, ща, щу. If it's hard for you to pronounce these syllables now, just keep trying. And I promise, you'll get to the point where it seems easy, sooner than you think. You'll also want to practice reading syllables with several consonants in a row, like these. P, ra, pra, v, ra, vra, d, ra, dra, k, ra, kra, n, ra, nra, s, t, ra, stra, z, d, ra, zdra. I can't say enough how helpful this exercise is for learning how to read in Russian. So I encourage you to practice it on your own whenever you have some free time.